turning points, where a move changes hands. The hardest thing to catch in time. But every turn leaves the same fingerprint, and the color shows it first. One chart, the Russell 2000 on the 4-hour. A whole series of turns, tops and bottoms, fast and slow. Watch the color lead price into every one. An early push higher. Green carries the rally up to a first high. Then, right at the top, the green fades toward blue, the first hint that strength is leaving. Sure enough, it rolls over. Blue, then red into the low, the color cooling to its coldest right as price bottoms. Then green commits again, a clean rally, conviction building bar after bar, all the way up to the next high. Here's the one that matters. At the high, while price still looks strong, the green darkens to blue. The warning comes first. Then red takes control and runs the decline for weeks, down to a washout low, where even red finally gives way to blue. And the bottom pays off the same way in reverse. The cold blue lifts, green commits, and a brand new uptrend leaves the station. The turn confirmed in color before the rally is obvious. A quick breather, one cool step back to blue. Then green again, pressing to a higher high. Same tell at the top. The green fades to blue, and a red pullback follows. Strength stepping back before the dip. And once more, green commits and the turn completes, driving on to new highs. Every turn, the same fingerprint. Strength fades through blue before price turns, and the new side announces itself in color. That's how you read a turning point while it's happening, not after. This video is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. See you in the next educational video.